Easy Pro Texture is proud to announce the Easy Pro Knockdown Blade, which is going to dramatically improve the process of your knockdown texture repairs. Hi, I'm Jim with Easy Pro. Let me show you how it works. So as you can see here, I shot some pretty heavy texture. The reason for that is I want to demonstrate our Easy Pro Knockdown Blade. Our knockdown blade has a soft edge, and that soft edge allows you to knock this down without waiting. So you notice I just finished the shooting process, and with a very light touch, holding it in my fingertips, I'm going to run this over the top of this texture. And you notice it creates a great pattern, nice standoff. If I did the same knockdown with a metal blade without waiting, that's what that pattern would look like. That's what our soft edge knockdown blade will give to you, a pattern that looks like that, and send you to lunch early. So find us at your local paint retailer, hardware retailer, or at easyprotexture.com. Hey, click here to watch videos on our other products and other instructional videos and how to use them.